Hello, this short video is about VICA42 from AC MotorCAD. I'm going to navigate to the directory where VICA42 data is stored. I have the program, VICA42EXE, built this morning, and some data files, all 8-character names. These came from VNOT himself originally, I think. And you invoke the program by double-clicking on that. And what I know how to do, I am a motor design engineer and a programmer, but I'm not intimately familiar with the files. I'm going to take run with stored data too. And I'm going to name one of those files. The files have to be in the same directory as the exe. CGV, I know I've tested 2 and 3. 2, 3, 8, okay. Alright, so it has read input data and is showing me inputs. I hit return and I get more inputs. All inputs okay, it says. Yes, 1. Save them? No, they're already saved. 1 to continue, 2 to exit. More design analysis data to follow. So these are results. Hit return. More results. Design an optimum stator winding. Yes, no. I don't know how to do that. The old manual would have some documentation in it. We have scanned copies of it in PDF form, not searchable. Oh, continue. I guess. Oh, there's a table. Percent load at the top to 150%. No load to 150%. One continue, and I think I'll get another table. That's the speed torque data. Continue. Yes, 1. There's a speed torque curve if you've got a starting connection, I guess. Pause means you want to hit return or enter again. Okay, now print usual outputs to, I don't know if that works. Maybe later I'll make it work. Write all I/O to current drive. I think it's there already. Curve plot data. I'm not sure about these. We'll get back to you on that. And I'm just going to exit and go. Well, I don't have to exit to go look at the data, do I? I have a link to it. I don't see any new data there. Supposed to write the output to the same place the program is. And if we want to write the performance to drive, that's 2. So we'll take 2. Outputs have been saved. Let's go take a look. Do them by time. And there's the file with the answers. Don't get your input data, but you get results of the analysis, calculations, resistances, reactances, load performance 0 to 150. So you could take all this data, paste it into Excel, and get a chart. This is with the running connection. More data that you could, well, let's see. That's with a running connection. Start connection. You could plot this data here. And locked winding something per amp 36.5. So there's your output. You can rename that, you can print it, whatever you need to do. Here's this is old. This is when I was running earlier this morning. Let's go. I want to make sure I show you a little bit about changing your files. We'll do this serial G-Vanot dash 2XXX again. More inputs. All inputs okay? Let's say no. Capacitor table, I guess you got to look in the book, in the manual. So this, I think if you just hit return, to bypass that line. Is this the same line? No. Let's say that the stack is, let's say that the, let's change something. What's that say? 2 point, the old dies aren't as good as they were. 2.6, let's make it 2.5. Well, looks like it's got a concentric winding here. I don't want to mess with those. You got to have the right numbers. Okay, no more correction. Now the inputs. Do I have a 2.5 in there? Let's see, where did I change it? was that? 2.5 I put in. Come on back to me. More inputs. Inputs. Okay, no. Run. We took that one. And we had a ring ID on the rotor. It's 2.5 now. So is it? So it should be main winding, rotor description. There it is. It's changed to 2.5. So that's how you change. You tab over to where to be under the value you want to change and change it. You can do 2 or 3 of them, I guess. And then hit return. And the cursor helps you. This black white cursor helps you. Okay. So all inputs okay. Yes. Save these. Yes. Let's save this. Let's do CGV2A. Want to continue. Optimize, read the book. I looked over the code a little bit, and it's, you got to name a voltage or a current to get the capacitor right. And that's what it means by optimize. Here are the new calculations, and we can take a look here, and here's our CG2A, the input file. Doesn't have an extension, so it doesn't know what to do with it. And so you're, didn't change the name, the run name, and that stuff, but you can change the run name. 2.5, there it is. And his run numbers, there's other stuff that I'm not real familiar with that help people identify their runs in the title of a printout. So that's the idea of how to change the data using VICA42. I'll probably be making some more videos later, but that's quite a long video introduction for now.